Okay, so it's still the 23rd of April, 2025, and we don't have a name for this guy, but I don't think he's been born more than an hour and a half. Hour and a half. And so he was born this morning, I think right after the rainstorm, it looked like. His mother licked him off, and then we brought the mother in to get milked. And she was fine with that. She came right in to get milked, and she seemed to have a pretty good time. While she was in getting milked, we took him and brought him in this pen here. This is the goat pen. And then we milked her out, and that's some of her milk that Frank's given him now. So when Violet was done being milked, she went right back out to the hay pile. Didn't look around for him or anything. So there's no inherent attachment between them. But there will be an attachment between the human and the calf, or the human and the calf and the bottle. Really, that's where the attachment is. So we'll be milking her for the next couple of days, and that milk will just be set aside for him because it's got heavy-duty colostrum in it. I got a goat here that's trying his horns out on me. And he's going to drink a little bit right now just to try it out, and then he'll be little goat killer, isn't he? Let me turn this around so I can fight him off. You need to watch that. This is a goat. Got to try those horns out on me. All right, I'm going to hold you so we can watch. What do you think we're going to name him? Anybody kick around a name yet?
Stacy.
Stacy?
Yeah.
For a boy?
Yeah.
That's a girl name. Like Stacy Keach.
Mm-hmm.
Who else do we know named Stacy that's a boy?
I don't know.
Okay, well, it's as good a name as any, I guess. Boy, this little goat is really persistent. I hate goats. Hate's a strong word, though, isn't it? Boy, he's drank quite a bit of that.
Yeah, he is.
I'm surprised for his first. That's a good thing. Once he gets that colostrum, he'll probably wander around in here a little bit and then lay down, and he'll be out until this afternoon. And I think what I'll do is I'll go outside and I'll show you the mom, and you can see her demeanor. If the calf were left on her for even a couple of days, we would hear that both of them would be bellowing for each other because they bond together really quickly when they're nursing. And then when you took them permanently, she'd go all night bellowing. We got to do something about these horns. These horns are pretty sharp. There's going to be children here day after tomorrow, and those horns need to be nipped off. I'm going to do that. All right, anyone can farm.